Hi, I'm a structural engineer and Tekla modeler. In this video, I'm going to help you to unlock the power of Tekla structures by explaining different Tekla model files. By the end of the video, you will understand any Tekla model file you come across. Content. Number 1. Core database files. It contains file types like db1, db2, db3, etc. Number 2. Drawing files. So it contains file types like dg and gd. In coming slides, I'll explain in detail. And number 3. Template and report files. So it contains file types like tpl and rpt files. Number 4. Output report files. So it contains the output what we get from Tekla structures. It may be in txt format or XLS format or CSV format. CSV stands for comma separated values. Number 5. Fabrication and CNC files. So it contains file types like NC and KSS. Number 6. Beam and exchange files. So it contains file types like IFC, STEP and IGES file types. Number 7. Settings, macros and automation files. So it contains file types like UEL, means custom components, and CS, means something we develop using Open API, C#. Number 8. Lock and version control file. Lock, main function of this lock is it prevents two users opening the same model if it is in single user model. Number 1. Core database file, db1. db1 contains geometry database. So it contains information regarding parts, assemblies, bolts, welds, cuttings and fittings. db2, it contains property database. So it contains the information regarding materials, grades, profiles, user defined attributes. It holds the descriptive data. Number 3. db3. It is a relationship database. It links between parts, bolts, drawings and it connects objects. And BAK, it is the backup copies of it is a backup copies of db files. It is auto created on save. Number 2. Drawing files, DG files. It is the actual Tekla drawing file. It stores the GA drawings, assembly, single part drawings and GD. It contains information regarding views, scale and annotation. GD and GD, they work together. Without GD we don't have drawings and without GD we don't have views. They work together. Number 3. Template and report files, TPL files. TPL stands for template file. It contains the information regarding title blocks, BOM layouts, and for example if you want to send any sample template to any of the customer or any of the other user, we can just send TPL file and the job is done. And RPT files. RPT means report definition. It decides what data to pull. Number 4 is report output files. It is the output what we get from Tekla structures after modeling is done, like part list, assembly list, material list, bolt list, etc. For example, if you want a summary in Excel format like BOM, weight summary by material by profile, we can get. And CSV stands for comma separated values. See, because of its wide compatibility across different platforms, we are using the CSV file as well. Number 5. Fabrication and CNC files. So NC files, most of you are familiar about that. It contains part list, assembly list and material list. So everyone is familiar with NC file. Number 2 is KSS file. KSS stands for keep it simple still. It contains information regarding part marks, material, profiles, weights, assembly and erection sequence. So main purpose is it is helpful in material takeoff and fabrication management like cutting list and nesting and inventory tracking. Number 6, BIM and exchange files. See, the main purpose of this IFC file is we can use that model in other softwares, in other compatible softwares like Revit and Navisworks, so that we can check any possibility of clash detection and any of the BIM coordination, so that we can also check with other MEP works any kind of chances of clash detection, etc. And also we get another file called STEP, and STEP stands for Standard for Exchange of Product Model. So using this a 3D solid model we can use in other softwares like SolidWorks and CATIA. So its main purpose is it is best for high precision solid geometry works. And we also get iges file type. It stands for Initial Graphics Exchange Specification. So we can exchange wireframe, surface and solid geometry. Its purpose is it is used when curved surface or when STEP is not available. It is best for older versions of CAD systems. Number 7, customization and automation files. It allows automation, customization and company standards, so that workflow becomes easy. INP means custom component dialogues. MAC stands for recorded macros. CS means anything we develop using Open API. C#. DAT means attributes by setting files. STEP means Tekla extension package. UEL means custom components. So main advantage is, for example, you have done a model and you have developed a custom component, and if you want to use the same custom component in another model, you can just export that custom component and you open your present model and you can just import and your job is done. Number 8, lock and version files. So main advantage of this lock is it prevents two users opening the same model in single user mode. And version means it records Tekla version used to create the Tekla model. Thank you so much.